Okay, back at Competition Engines, and we have a 408 Cleveland here. This is one of our do-it-yourself packages. So we offer these same combinations in a do-it-yourself parts list, which that's what this is, a do-it-yourself parts and machining and a complete build. So this is a parts list we've provided to Simon Hall. Simon Hall is an engine builder, engine reconditioner. So we've supplied all the parts to build this engine. He's gone away, machined it, assembled it, brought it back here. We've dressed it up with a Pro Systems carburetor, a Resto look distributor. That's running an MSD remotely, so we'll have a box, 6AL box under the dash. The Dizzy looks standard from outside, but you know it's not. So obviously going with the theme. This is very impressive, to believe it or not. It's 234 at 50, so AFD-002.1 camshaft. So that's our 234, 242 at 50 on 110 plus 4 lobe center. So very mild hydraulic roller cam that makes a lot of torque and a lot of horsepower. 550 foot-pounds, that's a huge amount of torque, and 557 horsepower, all under 6,500 RPM. So 2V head, our valve spring package, dual plane intake manifold, our tri-Y, so AFD tri-Y extractors, has all the goodies. So like I said, we supplied it as a parts kit, and that's how easy it is. So engine guys out there, engine builders, engine shops, it takes the guesswork out of it. We supply a whole kit that's proven. You can get us to machine it and put it together yourself. If you have equipment, you can machine and assemble it yourself. It's a proven deal, set price, easy to quote your customer. You know, there's people that inquire, you waste a lot of time quoting stuff. We can send you a quote, you can pass it on to the customer, you add your labor to it, and you have a quotation instantly. Now, we always start them when we dyno with electric fuel pump, just to eliminate any leaks and so on. Once we're happy, we've dynoed it. Now I've just converted it to the mechanical. This is going to run a mechanical fuel pump. So we've set up the fuel pump, we've run the fuel line, we've given it a couple runs. There's a mechanical fuel pump, believe it or not, will not drain a horsepower. There's no difference. So we've run it with the mechanical fuel pump. So we'll start it up now and we'll give it a run. As you can see, it's all painted blue, and we've had this head CNC to sort of simulate a factory look. Has an Edelbrock water pump. Simon's ground off the Edelbrock. The manifolds had all the markings ground off. Very good intake manifold, even distribution. Carburetor's nice. This is a magic engine. Stick shift, manual, XY build. Simon's building it for the guy that is building the car, or the owner of the car. So this is, the customer wanted 500, 557, so it's a huge amount of horsepower with pretty mild camshaft and under 10 after 1 compression. Cannot beat this combo, great street combo, and I think a combination of the camshaft, the extractors, and some bits and pieces make this successful. So let's run it up and you can have a listen. Okay, we'll start up Simon's engine. So like I said, the carburetor spot on, everything's good. So we're going from 4,000 RPM to 6,500 RPM. It made a whopping 528 foot-pounds at $4,000. It peaks foot-pounds at 4,500, 550. So unbelievable. So this, 3,000 is probably still going to have, or maybe 3,500 over 500 foot-pounds of torque. Over, have a look at that. So oil's a bit colder. That made 555 and 543.4 foot-pounds. The best of 550 foot-pounds and 557 horsepower. As the oil gets thinner, you make 4 or 5 or 6 more horsepower and foot-pounds of torque. It's been sitting for a while.